Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter in your Mazda 6. Now, if you get this done like at the dealer or at like something like Big O Tires where you would normally get your oil change done, it is so much more expensive to have them do it than for you to do it. And it literally takes like 1 to 2 minutes to do it at home. And the product or the air filter itself, you can get them for like 11, 12 bucks on Amazon. And so I will show you the one that I got, and I'll put a link in this description where you can buy it on Amazon. And it has like a little thing that you can figure out if it fits your Mazda or not. So it's really cool and very simple to do. Order the part, and once you get it, you can switch it out yourself and save a lot of money. Anywhere from, it'll cost anywhere from like $50 to $70 to have the dealer or wherever you get your oil change for them to switch out your air filter, which is obscene. It's super expensive. It's really, really easy. Just do it yourself. Here we go. Let's do it. So I just got this air filter on Amazon. It was like $10 and it came the next day. Again, much cheaper than having these done by the dealer or wherever you get your oil changed. It's so much more expensive to have them switch out your cabin air filter, and you could do it so easy yourself. So here we go. Here is the new one. Let's go replace it. All right, here we are inside my Mazda 6, and then I'm going to open up the glove box because this is where the air filter is. You see I have a bunch of stuff in there. You can take that stuff out because it will fall out. I'm just going to remove all this junk. Probably should clean this out anyway. All these masks and all this stuff in here that I rarely ever look at. All right, and then the air filter cabin air filter is right behind that. And then what you want to do is you want to squeeze the sides. Squeeze these sides in. And then this side over here. Just squeeze it and then it'll come down. That right there is the cabin air filter. So right behind the glove box. So you just come in here and you push up on that latch. See? Just push up on that and you can pull it out. And it's all nice and dirty. This one's like 2 years old. You kind of want to replace these once a year, at least, depending on where you live. So this one is just really dirty. And just take the new one, slide it right in. It is literally as simple as that. It's so much cheaper to do this by yourself. And so you'll just want to reattach it like that. Okay. And then again, to put it back in, just squeeze the sides and go back up. And there you go. And you can put all your junk back in the glove box if you want. And that's how you change out the cabin air filter in your Mazda 6. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time, take care everyone.